Meta just launched an AI that doesn't just want to answer your questions, it wants to become your everyday thinking partner.
Which sounds amazing until it starts roasting your screen time habits.
Welcome to Pente Spotlight. I'm Emily, here to break down the AI stories that actually matter.
And I'm Lucas, here to keep the hype grounded and the tech human.
Today's Spotlight, Muse Spark, Meta's first major model from its new Superintelligence Labs.
This is Meta's latest big swing. Muse Spark is built to understand text, images, tools, and context all together.
In simple terms, Meta wants AI to feel less like a chatbot and more like a smart assistant that actually gets your life.
One big upgrade is multimodal reasoning. That means Muse Spark can look at what you're seeing and help in real time.
Like helping fix a broken appliance, turning an idea into a minigame, or walking you through a problem step by step.
Meta's also pushing health support. Muse Spark was trained with input from over 1,000 doctors to improve health reasoning.
So you could point your phone at lunch and ask, is this actually good for me?
And instead of random wellness fluff, it could give useful, personalized guidance.
Meta also launched Contemplating Mode. Yes, dramatic name.
But useful idea. Multiple AI agents can reason in parallel before giving an answer. Think team brainstorm, not one bot winging it.
Meta says Muse Spark competes with top AI systems from OpenAI and Google.
And the bigger message here is Meta is going all in again.
This launch comes with bigger infrastructure bets too, including major investment in AI training and data centers like Hyperion.
Translation, Meta's not treating this like a side project.
Of course, smarter AI also raises bigger safety questions.
Meta says Muse Spark was tested for cyber risks and harmful misuse before launch.
So if AI is getting more personal, trust matters just as much as intelligence.
Muse Spark is live now on Meta AI, with more features rolling out soon.
That's today's Pente Spotlight.
Hit subscribe and come back tomorrow because AI is moving fast and we'll help you keep up without the overwhelm.